Welcome to Research Talks. In this video, I will show you how to book Airbnb on Europe, how to book Airbnb anywhere in the world. You can do same process and book your accommodation very easily and very cheap price, and you can receive number of facilities using this Airbnb. So let's start how to book Airbnb. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Airbnb mobile application also available like Android and iOS, or you can use in your desktop also. And just simply type here Airbnb, and here vacational rental, several informations are available. Like here, Airbnb is American vacational rental online marketplace. You living in India look like in Oyo, but this standard is very high because of this is an American brand in this Airbnb concept. So you can book Airbnb anywhere, in especially on Europe. Right now I am living in Europe, so I am using number of times of Airbnb homes, rooms or flats. So first of all, you can click here sign up. So using my coupon, after you sign up your Airbnb account, I am putting this coupon code in my video description, and you can earn in 2000 INR in Indian currency. So you just use my coupon code and sign up this account. So I'm just signing because of I have already account. So I am signing. You sign up time, you can use my invitation. This is www.airbnb.com/r/sangram k. I am putting this invitation or referral ID in this video description. You can use this one. You can become a host also. You have any property regarding this particular tourist location, so you can add your property description here, add your address here properly, entire place, private room or share room. Accordingly you can put it your property here, and how many guests are living this property, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So just simply select the 2 guests and then start the property uploading this Airbnb concept. So and how to book Airbnb, so simply here I am typing here, just like type here, simply I am type here Zurich. So I went in Zurich 15th of March to 17th of March, and simply one adult and search. So here this rooms comes like in a self check-in available, and like I'm currently accessing this website in Danish krona. So 297 Danish krona means Indian currency like around 3200 4000, like 2 guests, and such kind of facilities or such kind of Airbnbs available, like amazing view, clean your room, some basic pictures. And one more example, you are seeing this picture, so as it is this rooms or this Airbnb, and same infrastructures are available, no duplicate are going on the specially Airbnb properties. You select just which country you visit or which city you visit accordingly, and then date plan and how many guests, 1 2 3 4 5, accordingly search those guests. And you can look at this here, all Airbnb are available here, like a price options are come. I select this one, so this property comes here automatically. You can click here and see which types of pictures are available on the particular property. After you happy, so you can very easily book this property. So suppose for example I book this property like that one 551, like in a 6000 per day in INR. They are providing me entire apartment, everything is facilities available there, like kitchen, all kitchen equipment. So very easily you can buy some stuff in supermarket and cook your food in this apartment, and you save this particular money. So check in, check out date I am selecting here, 1 guest, non-refundable amount or refundable amounts options also available. Sometimes you are canceling this property, so very easily you can refund this amount of money or this amount of money. just only here. Central train station, 5 minutes walking distance, is a famous main street available on 5 minutes, and some restaurant and shopping area, it's very near to everything. Some basic informations are available here. You can follow this information and very easily reach on that particular property. Before booking the property, how many amenities are available on that particular property? So before booking you can visit and check properly. So review, you can see the review, which types of review people are providing this property. Like suppose compared to 5 to 4.70 means amazing rate scales are available on the particular property. So very good. Some people are providing as a paragraph related information. Very good location, is the old city near the water, close to the stressing cafe, restaurant and shopping. You can read those review and then after you book this property. Some people are providing very genuine review. Always I am using this review and then after I book my accommodation on the particular place. So that one is amazing. Features are available on the, especially on Airbnb accommodation. This is a host name and his informations are available here. You can contact by directly here, and sometimes you can negotiable also this particular price. This host are happy or negotiable, accept your price. Like suppose this property price per night is a 4,000, so I am saying okay, can you please consider 3,000 or 3,500, or he or she accept your request. So they are reducing sometimes price, but not all times. Sometimes it's very less amount of percentage they accept your request. Accordingly you can use these features. Different features are available here. Experience, online experience, and this application available on Android and iOS also. But before sign up you can please refer my invitation. I'm putting this referral code in video description. It's very simple. You have any suggestion regarding the Airbnb, you have any questions, so you can comment me. I will help you regarding how to book the property, how to sign up, a related question. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.